core component to accounting is the fiscal year based in the ledger. This company calendar may be defined for controlling transaction processing and reports. To access the fiscal year setup, from the Edit menu, select Fiscal Calendar. The current fiscal year is loaded, with date ranges and descriptions from the 12 or 13 fiscal periods, depending on how the company was originally set up. Other historical years, and the next year if created, are also available for selection from the Year drop-down field. Dates for fiscal periods must be consecutive throughout the year, without overlaps or missing days. Editing a period ending date will automatically adjust the beginning of the next period to the subsequent day. And the entire fiscal calendar must span one complete year. The day after the year-end date must be the same as the year opening date, 1 year forward. Otherwise, warning messages will appear in the integrity check. Fiscal year naming is based on the last day of the last period, and the code is the year of that day followed by a dash. This is straightforward if the fiscal year is the same as the calendar and ends on December 31st. But for other fiscal calendar definitions, the fiscal year code may be a different year than for today's date. And in the unique scenario that a new short fiscal year is created where the last day is in the same year as the prior fiscal calendar, the next fiscal year code after the short year will have an A suffix for unique identification. Fiscal period descriptions can be anything you want. To have them automatically synced to a period date, click the Description button. You may choose the description to be based on either the starting or ending date of the periods, and a drop-down allows selection of predefined formats, which include many combinations of the month, day, and year. Clicking OK will update the descriptions for every period for only this fiscal year. The Financial Reporter allows selection of both the fiscal year code and periods, which will calculate statement amounts as of that year and period, and formulas can output the period dates and description. Another part to fiscal calendar maintenance is defining periods to be either open or closed. Adagio Ledger batch entries cannot be posted if the assigned period of the entry is closed, and an error will occur when posting, and also be displayed on the batch listing report. A setting in the company profile will validate during batch entry if the period is closed, and either present a warning or disallow the entry from being saved. A similar Validate Closed Periods option is available in all other Adagio programs, with both the warning and disallow choices, and also an allow choice, so that the subledger batch can be posted with no warning, and then dealt with as appropriate in Ledger after it has been retrieved. You may want to close all fiscal periods for the year, except the current period, to strictly control posting. To assist in maintaining the closed statuses easier, there are two ways, in addition to editing the fiscal calendar, to make changes. In the company profile, an option to auto-open next period a number of days in advance can be set so that when the company data is opened with a sign-on date in this last number of days of the period, the subsequent period will automatically be set as open without any prompts. The other function is available from the Maintenance menu to close open period. This process will close the current fiscal period and open the next one, and would typically be run after all ledger posting for the current period is complete. If either period is already closed or open as would be changed, the question will be limited to do just the single change about to be made, or that the status of both periods are already in that state. Take control of inadvertent batch posting by closing periods in the fiscal calendar. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these links on screen or from the video description. Thanks for watching.